I was going through the channel analytics, and what I've noticed was that more than 50% of the subscribers are between age 18 and 24, which is wow, surprising for me. And my question is, I hope you can have time and answer the question. It's not only one question, by the way. I'm curious, why do you study Bulgarian? Share down below, please, why you want to study Bulgarian. Also share your way of learning, because we all have different ways of learning. So maybe you are the type of person that can watch videos, films, listen to music, and memorize the phrases and start speaking the language. Perfect, that's what children do. Some of us, like me, though, need to have a structure. Need to know the grammar, need to know how this language works, what are the rules, blah, 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 and so on. So it will help me very much if you share with me your way of learning, your preferences, why you're learning the language, what you expect to get from the videos. I hope you can spare some time and answer these questions of mine. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Oh, by the way, I saw the majority of viewers have not subscribed. I hope they will change their mind and will subscribe to my channel. I really hope so. So, see you in the next video. Bye!